Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Yamaha FJR1300 with ABS brakes. This is a beautiful metallic blue super sport touring bike. Color matched locking side cases, 1300cc. Liquid cooled fuel injection. Bike's in gorgeous shape. It's got some nice accessory features, including those running lights right down by the forks, crank sliders. It's got some reflective tape on the bags. It's got a really nice, comfortable touring seat for both rider and passenger. Heated electric grips, adjustable windscreen. It has a nice system to move the handlebars back and make the riding position more comfortable. It's got a mechanical cruise control also. Only 38,000 miles, just $99.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Come on by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes for you. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.